Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm doing this video just to give out some information. I'm not going to be putting out videos every week anymore. I've been spending too much time in my shop and not giving enough attention to some other things in my life, spiritually and my wife. This is a decision I came to all by myself, but I figure at my age I haven't got that much time left. I need to spend my time wisely, but I will be putting out videos every 2 weeks, I believe. I will do. I'm going to be doing some different things. I'm going to show you what I'm wanting to do and am doing. First, this is, let me see it. This is a bone. This is bone. This is pure bone, and I've been trying to make little pendants and stuff. This is my first attempt of the heart. I love working with bone. That is so awesome, really. Then I want to work with seashells. I've got some seashells coming from the daughter. She's in North Carolina right now. She should be on her way back probably next weekend. But she said she'd bring me some shells. Also going to be doing egg. This is a goose egg. You can see I've been practicing on it. But I want to do some carving on a goose egg, and it's really interesting, and it's really neat to carve on these things. I got some real tiny carbide cutters coming to use on these, and we'll see how that goes. Also, I'm going to be doing some gourds. Now these gourds, I got 2 of them. The wife kept one, but we found these in Arizona out in the desert. So these are Arizona desert gourds, and we found them out there probably 6 years ago. And I want to see what I can do with these, just to practice on them a little bit. And save the seeds, plant them, see if they'll come back. And of course, pyrography, all that stuff like that. I also want to do, I'm going to carve letters. This is an L. Also try to join the letters. This is the wife's initials, LJC. I want to do this. I just did these out of some cheapo thin plywood that I have that really don't work for pyrography or wood burning of any kind that I like anyway. I'm sure I have done it before on them, but it's just not an easy way for me to do it, I guess. I don't know. I guess my likes and dislikes are a lot different than other people. I can't stand to work on pine plywood or any of that, and I see pictures online where people are doing beautiful work on it. So yeah, I guess it's just the preference of the person. But anyway, I am going to be using some poplar for carving out letters and stuff. Buy these at Lowe's, and if it works good, if I can get to where I can do it halfway decent, then I will order some walnut in thin 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch thicknesses. I love working with walnut. So, oh, and I have got couple of sticks, aspens. They finally came in. The one is pretty thin, but it's still beautiful aspen stick, and the other one's a little thicker. I like them. I like them a minimum of this thickness to work with, because it's so much easier to carve on them and stuff. But I'll be doing walking sticks, and I've got a cane that I've got to make, so I've got things coming up. It's just that I just cannot keep doing it, day after day after day. I wish I would have gotten into this when I was much younger. And the temperature here is horrible in Arkansas. The lowest temperature that we're going to have in the next 5 days is 103. Some of the heat indexes are going to go up as high as 110 to 115. And that is not conducive for me to be working outside sanding on stuff like my walking sticks. I won't be able to sand on them until it's cooler, unless I get up at like 5 o'clock in the morning and go out and sand on them. Then it's cooler. But just thought I'd give you a little information on what is going on in my life right now. But like I said, I really appreciate you all. I love doing this. It's not that it's a hardship for me to do this, because it's not. And I've been accumulating tools and different things to work with wood. Even the wife got me a new set of chisels the other day for working with the bigger stuff. But I just need to concentrate on other things this time of my life. I'm 72, and it's just time for me to rearrange, I guess, my life. So I want to thank all you people for watching me. I want to thank my subscribers. I never thought I would have this many subscribers. I just started doing this just because I wanted to, type of thing. It wasn't that I wanted to be anything big and fancy. I just enjoy doing videos. So again, thank you very much for watching me, and please watch some of my back videos. They're doing good, but please subscribe, like, and comment. That would be really nice. Love you all. Bye-bye. And remember, grab your cane, your hiking stick, your walking stick, whatever you use, and get out there, because nature is beautiful.